Hello again, this is Dr. Sini. You can follow me on Instagram at Cumming Chiropractor or on Facebook at Forsyth Spinal Rehabilitation Center. As a chiropractor, the number one cause or leading cause of new patients for me is back pain. So today I want to share with you 4 points and 4 things you can do to help minimize your likelihood of low back pain or to help you recover from chronic low back injuries. The first is to just shed that extra weight, lose the pounds, try to maintain a good body fat percentage, a low amount of body fat, and to maintain a healthy weight. That's going to take a lot of the chronic wear and tear off of the structural supports, the spinal muscles, as well as the discs, ligaments, and tendons of the spine. Secondly, you want to just maintain good posture. Having good posture is going to make a big difference. Don't sit a lot. Spending a lot of time in a seated position at work, especially, seems to be a big culprit. The more time you spend sitting, some research has suggested and shown that it could be up to 3 times the amount of pressure on the spine and the supporting structures in a seated position than you are in a standing position. So try to reduce the amount of time that you spend seated at work. If you have a job that requires you to sit a lot, I want you to get up and move around about every 20 to 30 minutes. Thirdly is to increase range of motion. It's always easier to maintain range of motion than it is to regain range of motion. So with any exercise routine, it's important to spend your time exercising, but do your stretches. Maintain proper flexibility, maintain proper range of motion. These are the things that's going to help you reduce a lot of the wear and tear on the structures of the spine, that being the muscles, ligaments, and tendons, and the disc spaces themselves. And lastly, but probably the number one most overlooked one, is weight training. Weight training is going to help assist in hypertrophy or muscle growth of those muscles of the spine. The more you can grow and strengthen those muscles, the more support you're going to have, and the more ability you're going to be able to take, more strain you're going to be able to deal with from your day-to-day activities, from the sitting and standing and lifting of children, lifting things at work, those sorts of things. So increasing your lean muscle mass will help by doing some weight training. I've got a good friend, Sue Shipman. She is an amateur fitness competition athlete as well as a weight trainer. So I'm going to have her go through a few exercises with you and show you some of them. It's important to maintain good posture during all of your exercises. Always follow up with your healthcare practitioner before starting a new exercise routine. And it's important to focus on muscles of the upper back, which also support the shoulders, shoulder girdle, and the neck. And starts to balance your head, keeps it in proper posture, as well as your low back. That's going to support sacrum and pelvis. So I'm going to have Sue show you a couple of different exercises here. And if you have any questions, you can forward them to us at fsrmanager@bellsouth.net.
Oh, yeah.